Whoa, 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 wow. Whoa, 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 whoa. Come on, do it. Yay! Awesome! Now turn it. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hello guys, my name is Dennis. Thank you for coming to my channel. I'm so excited right now because I got the early access program FSD Beta 10.12.2. Let me show it to you. Okay, it looks like that. FSD self-driving beta, the FSD beta version. Okay, you can read here, whatever I have. Nice. I'm so excited to try that. Wow. Okay, now I think I have to go to the autopilot and full self-driving. Yes. Average. Okay. And let me try with you guys. Okay guys, let's try the FSD beta for the first time. Let me try it here on the safety streets. Let me put it right now. Double thumb here and let's go. What you can see, my hands here. Ooh, scary. And it actually didn't stop on the bumps, but it's okay. It's Tesla. Now I'm gonna see what the car is gonna be doing here on a stop sign. Okay, it's stop. All right, but it's the car there. Some grandma. Let me press the accelerator. Okay. I just press accelerator because the grandma, I don't know what she's gonna do. Let's see. And I'll just hold the wheel. Steering wheel. Let's go to the ocean right now. Okay. It decided to turn. Okay. Whatever. It's decided to turn. Let's check. Okay. The car is stopped here. It's supposed to turn. Let me check. Okay, there is no cars. Wow. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, go. Awesome. Awesome job. And let's see that car and it slows down. Wow, that's perfect. I like it a lot, guys. Let me turn here. We're gonna turn or no? Stop, 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 stop. Okay, it stopped. Perfect. And now, awesome. Good job. Whoa, 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 whoa. That was so fast. But awesome. I like it a lot. And let's see if it's gonna stop or no here. My foot on the pedal. Let's check if it's gonna stop here. Yeah, it stopped by itself. Perfect. Awesome. Oh, and it decided to go to that building. No, it's okay. Let me turn it off. Wow, that's perfect. Okay, let me add some address. Wildberry. Let's check. Wildberry cake, right? Okay. I put the navigation to the Wildberry cake. It's like close here. And let's go. Wow, I like it. Just don't touch the Range Rover. But acceleration is fast. I mean, I'm not driving like that. Acceleration is fast. I think I look like an idiot because I have the camera here. And let's check how it's gonna be here. The people crossing. Hello, hello. How are you? Hi. Let's check. It's turned that way. Okay, it's actually right. There is no car on the left, and there is no car on the right. Awesome. Awesome job. Let's see how it's gonna perform here, because it's actually busy. Okay. All right. Look at that bike, guys. Wow. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, what is he doing? Okay, I turned it off because I was scared. There were some strange moves. Okay, let me turn it on again. Yeah, and you told me it's not scary? Okay. It's not a little bit, it's scary a lot. For the first time.
It's more fun than scary.
No, but like that, it's driving perfect. But in those situations, it's like I don't know what the car decided to do. To turn left, then turn right, then stop, then press accelerator. Okay, okay. And police officer here. Hello, police officer. Bye bye, police officer. All right. And actually, the address it showed me that across the street. Interesting if it's gonna do the U-turn there. Over here. Okay. So far we're going great. Look at that. Wow, the graphic is crazy. I love it. Hello. Can I see you? No? I can. Okay, guys, go. It's a green light. Whoa. I don't know.
It's like somebody else driving, right?
Yes.
Like not you.
Well, yes, like not me. I would a little bit that side. Close to that side, not this side. No, but it's like exactly on the lines. Boom. Huh? See how it's gonna turn. Whoa. How it's gonna turn right? Come on, do it. Yay! Awesome! Not the perfect turn, but.
Time to do the
Wow,
U-turn.
look. No, it's not for the turn. It's just going to this line. And then I think it's just gonna stop across. I don't think it's gonna do the turn.
We'll see.
Okay, no. Actually, yes. Okay, I'm gonna turn it. Whoa. I'm turning off because that was a crazy move. But I mean, I like it. I like that thing. It would be interesting if I'm gonna go from New York to the long trip without any interruptions. Okay. Don't worry. You see, let's show the door too. Alright guys, that was the first experience driving the FSD Beta. I'm gonna post more videos soon. Thank you. Bye guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. And see you again later. Bye guys.